And then after that, I read a book about plants. Now I'm watering Mr. Basil. Ivy! Ooh, Grandma Holly's calling. Love you, Mama.
Love you, Ivy. Have fun.
Later, Mr. Basil. Hey, Grandma.
Perfect timing. I was just about to make some lunch. Have you eaten yet?
Not yet. I'm making pizza with Nico. His first pizza ever.
Ooh, how fun. But are you sure it's his first pizza? Or are you assuming?
Assuming?
It means thinking you know the answer before finding out first. Like when you assumed your parents and I didn't know how late you stayed up last night.
Ah, got it. But I don't think so. He's from another country. Oh, I've got to go meet him right now. Bye!
Looks like you win again, Mr. Johnson.
Hey, Nico.
Rematch tomorrow?
You're on.
I'm right on time.
Have you ever not been on time?
Grandma, we're going now.
All right, I'll watch you from here.
Grandma, you have cucumbers over your eyes.
Oh. No wonder I couldn't see you.
Ugh, I can't believe they're out of tomatoes. I really wanted to make you your first pizza.
My first pizza? I've had a million pizzas.
But you're from the Philippines. Pizza isn't Filipino food.
You eat sushi, and that's not really Cuban or American. Back in the Philippines, we ate all kinds of food, just like here in the US.
Oops, I'm sorry. I guess I was assuming.
You know, you could always just ask. I mean, we are best friends.
Yeah, you're right. It would still be fun to make pizza together, though.
If only we had our own garden.
That's it! We'll make our own garden right here!
Yeah! We'll grow our own tomatoes! And maybe some chayotes, too! You're making a list, aren't you?
1. We ask the manager if we can use this space. 2. We plan out the garden. 3. Invite everyone in the apartment to help. 4. We plant the seeds. And 5. We put up a sign so our neighbors know this garden is everybody's garden!
And go!
Hey there! Grandma said we should keep a video diary of how the garden is doing. So here it is. Nico, show them the garden.
Oh, right.
Ta-da!
You can see little sprouts.
So far we've planted eggplants, tomatoes of course, different types of squash.
Like chayotes.
Don't forget about the cucumbers.
We're planting new things all the time. The best part is all of our neighbors pitched in to help. Plus, I learned to ask questions to know more about my friends instead of thinking I already know.
For the record, I've had 1 trillion billion pizzas.
Soon we'll have lots of tomatoes for pizza. In about 1 month and 12 days.
What? That's so far away!
Gotta go. See you next time.